Okay, good.
All right.
Which one is this one?
This is going to be our truck, the R1T.
Okay.
So you can kind of see some information about it right here.
Okay.
This one is going to have the same motor and the performance upgrade as the previous R1S that you drove.
Okay.
Main difference is obviously that you're going to have that bed in the back.
Okay.
And it has a longer wheelbase.
Okay.
One of the other benefits of getting the truck is that if you get the biggest battery pack
Okay.
with the dual motor, you're able to get 10 more miles than you would in the R1S.
Oh, really?
Yeah, so you could
Okay.
get 420 on a full charge.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Anything? Okay. What's the main difference between this and then the SUV when it comes to like feature and stuff?
Yeah, so this first row forward, it's
Yeah.
exactly the same on both the SUV and the truck.
Okay.
It's mainly that second row and back where you'll really see all the differences.
Okay, let's go to the second one then.
Yeah, let's go.
Okay.
All right.
Okay.
So we have the second row here.
Okay.
First thing you'll notice is that you can't adjust it. It stays in place.
Okay.
But one of the fun little features that most people don't know about
Okay.
is this extra compartment.
Okay.
So it goes all the way to the other seat.
Okay.
It has a mat where you're able to take it off if you have like dirty boots, you need to clean it.
Okay.
And it just offers, extra space that you might need to use.
Okay, let me go to the other side and open that one.
Yeah.
So just
Yep.
open.
Just put your fingers in the back and then
Okay.
pull it up.
Okay.
Yeah, so you get all that space.
Okay.
And then you can see that mat that comes out. You can shake it off. You can clean
Okay.
it if you need to.
Okay.
Yeah. All right.
And other than that, anything else that's different here?
Yeah. So we'll kind of see this a little bit more when we're outside, but this is an entryway for that gear tunnel, which
Okay.
is an extra storage space. But it's elongated, so it's great for more like golf clubs and skis.
Okay.
So we can take a look at that.
Okay.
But yeah, cup holder, you can close that up if you want, put
Okay.
anything here. But
Okay.
yeah, all right.
How did you open here?
Yeah, so this gear tunnel right here, you can open
here.
it up just by pressing that button.
Okay.
It'll pop out slightly and then you'll pull it down.
Okay.
And then you can see right here how it goes straight through the truck.
Okay.
So usually with a gas truck, this is where all the gas tank would be.
Okay.
Since we obviously don't have gas, fully electric vehicle, we have extra space to just give you guys storage.
Okay, and then we have an outlet over
We
here.
have an outlet, so if you want, you can use this door, get creative with it. You can stand on it, supports up to 400 pounds.
It supports up to 400 pounds.
Yeah.
Oh,
So you can
okay.
stand on it, jump on it if you want.
Okay.
But the main thing is that it makes it easy if you need to load anything into the truck.
Okay.
So,
Okay. And it's the
Perfect.
same thing on the other side.
yep, exactly the same.
Okay.
And then we have the bed right here. You do get this tonneau cover.
Okay.
This is our version 1, but we do have a version 2 where it's a lot quieter, a lot smoother when it opens and closes.
Okay.
Yeah.
And to open, we press here, right?
Yep, you'll use that top button.
Okay.
And then you can also press it again if you want it to stop at a certain point.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. And then to open the trunk, we press
Yep,
here.
right under there. It'll open up.
Okay.
So you get the bed. It's about 4.5 feet
Okay.
big. And then you can use that lever at the bottom right.
Right here?
Yep, and it'll pop open this little compartment,
Okay.
but not so little.
Okay.
You get all this space for a full-size spare tire. If you get the all-terrain package,
Okay.
it'll automatically come with
This is a full-size space tire.
Yep,
Okay.
exactly. And if you don't get the spare tire, it's just extra storage, just like the SUV.
Okay.
Yeah.
And then you close manually.
Just close it down, give it a good shot. I think the cable got stuck. If you can pull it out.
Okay.
Yep.
Okay.
Perfect. And then to the left, we have that air compressor.
Okay.
And then you also get the locks for this tie down if you don't want anyone to like mess around with it, be able to take it out.
Okay.
That makes it more secure.
Okay.
On the right hand side, you have those outlets, the 2 outlets that you had in the SUV as well.
Okay.
Yeah.
And then to close this, we just press.
Just manually close it. Yep.
Okay.
And push it up. Yep, and you'll hear that click.
Okay.
And then one thing we didn't see on the SUV
Okay.
is this tow hitch.
Okay. Right here.
Yes, it comes standard on all of our vehicles, all
Okay.
the R1 models.
Okay.
It just has a plate that covers it, so that's why we didn't see it on the SUV.
Okay.
But you'll get the plug, the hitch, and then you'll get, I believe it's a 6-pin plug for like lights.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. And then to close the,
Yep, you just press it once.
and then you close it too.
Yep. And the buttons only work if the vehicle is unlocked.
Oh, okay. So,
So
if
of course you can't open anything if the vehicle is locked.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. What about the phone? Nothing special?
Exactly the same. We can take a look just to compare.
Okay.
So same button right here at the bottom.
Okay.
Automatically opens up.
Okay.
Get all that storage, same thing. Shut up. This one does have the portable charger that we
Okay.
use for charging.
Okay.
So you can kind of see that 110 volt plug gives you 3 miles every hour,
Okay.
or the 240 that gives you 16 miles every hour.
Oh, okay.
So it's great for overnight charging.
Okay. This for the air compressor, right?
Yep.
And
And
this
then the
is
first aid kit.
First aid kit. And this can also be removed.
Yep. Got the
Okay.
hang of it.
Okay. And this is a 2026 model, right?
This one, we can take a look and see at the charger. This one's going to be the 2025.
Okay.
So it's different from the first one we saw.
Okay.
That first one was the Tesla charger. This is going to be the more universal, like third-party chargers that you're going to see on the road.
Okay.
Yeah.
But the 2026 model of this one is already out.
Yes, correct.
And then what's the main difference between this one and 2026?
Mainly the charging port. It's still this Gen 2, so all the upgrades are the same.
Okay.
But we had a lot of people that needed that Tesla supercharger, you know, coming from Tesla. They already set the foundation.
Okay.
It makes it a lot easier using their
Okay.
chargers. So
Okay. And other than that, there's no
yeah.
anything that's different between this one and then 2026.
I believe the tow hooks on the SUV are a little bit different, you know, in the back side
Yes.
where you can tie it down. The 2025, it had it where you could adjust the slider.
Yeah.
Whereas in the 2026, it's kind of like a fixed point.
Okay.
Yeah.
And then we also close same. Yeah.
Yep. Automatically closes.
Okay.
And we didn't really go over this, but you have these front tow hooks if you need to pull anything.
Okay.
You can latch it onto there. Same with the SUV.
Okay.
Yeah.
Other than that, everything is it's the same as
Everything's
the
the
SUV.
same, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Yeah.
I'll give it a drive, and I will see you when I come back.
All right, perfect. Sounds
Thank
good.
you very much.
Enjoy. Here
Thank
you
you.
go. Here's your key.
Okay, thank you, Karen. The drive was really good.
Yeah, of course. I'm glad you enjoyed it.
Yes, I just want to say thank you very much for your time, and I really appreciate it. How much does this car cost?
So this is going to be a $7,000 difference between the SUV.
Okay.
It's gonna be around 90, 95 because it does have the all-terrain package and the performance upgrade
Okay.
with the exterior paint,
Okay.
forest green.
All right. Sounds good. Yeah, you drive really nice. It's smooth, quiet. I really like it.
Yeah.
So yeah, if someone's interested to buying like this car, where they can find you?
So you can find me at our Rivian downtown Chicago at Gold Coast location.
Yeah.
We're right by, I believe it's Loyola campus, so
Okay.
easy to find right off Michigan. And my name is Karen. You can find me here Wednesdays through Saturdays, and we're
Okay.
closed Sundays.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Yeah,
Yes,
of
I'll
course.
put your contact information, the phone number, in the description of the videos. Just want to say thank you very much for your time,
Yeah.
and thank you very much for your knowledge to educate people about this car.
Yeah, no
I
problem.
appreciate it. I will
Yeah.
see you next time.
Yeah,
Thank you.
nice meeting you.